Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the even ones. Okay, so I'm going to identify the axis of symmetry, which in this case is right through the vertex, which is at 3. So my axis of symmetry is x is equal to 3. And then my vertex is 3 comma somebody, which in this case is 1 because it's down here at 1. And then my y-intercept is at 10. And that is a coordinate point of 0 because there's no x, comma 10. And then because I'm opening upwards, my a is bigger than 0 since the graph opens up. Okay, so that's 2. We'll do number 4. Again, here's my axis of symmetry. Here's my vertex down here. So then my axis of symmetry is x is equal to -1. My vertex is -1 comma, let's see, 9, 8, 7. So -1, 7. And then my y-intercept is 0 comma, looks like 4 down here. And then my a is less than 0 since the graph opens down. Okay. Having people vote to say when they want their open working class period. And now I have, it is an exact tie. Some people want one day and some people want another day. Only 6 people have voted though. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and graph. So my axis of symmetry is x is equal to -4 over 2 times -2. So this is 4 over -4, which is -1. So at -1, I have my axis of symmetry. Okay. So then my vertex is -1 comma somebody, we don't know. So y is equal to -2 times -1 squared minus 4 times -1 minus 3. So this is 2 plus 4 minus 3. So 6 minus 3, which is 3. So -1 comma 3 is where my vertex is. My y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So y is equal to -2 times 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 3. So -3. So 0 comma -3, which makes my symmetric point -2 comma -3. And I have a very narrow parabola. And it is upside down because my a term is negative. Okay, so that's 6, 8. Let's do 8. So axis of symmetry. So x is equal to -2 over 2 times 1. So this is 2 over 2, which is 1. So x is equal to 1 is my axis of symmetry. And then my vertex is 1 comma somebody. So y is equal to 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 2 plus 2. So this gives me 1. So my vertex is at 1, 1. You should label your axis. I forgot to do it on the other one, but you should probably label your axis. So this is not -3. This is 3 here. -3 down there. -2, -3. Sorry, -2, -1, -2. Okay. All right. Back here. Y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So 0. So y is equal to 0 squared minus 2 times 0 plus 2. So I get 2. So 0, comma 2. So then my other point is on the other side. And then I play connect the dots. That's 2. Okay. Okay. I wanted 8. And then I think it's 19 and 20. Okay, so my axis of symmetry is x is equal to negative b over 2a. So that's negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3. So then I have negative 3 as my axis of symmetry. And then my vertex is negative 3 comma somebody. So y is equal to negative 3, just kidding, squared plus 6 times negative 3. So then I get 9 minus 18, which is negative 9. So my vertex is down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, okay, that's right. And then my y-intercept is what x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 squared plus 6 times 0, which equals 0. So my origin, and then 3 away from that. And so my parabola, oops, as I could not play connect the dots very well. Looks something like this. Okay, and that is it for this section.